Okay, you're right.
Now it's going.
You're right.
Oh boy. This is probably one of the craziest things I've ever done. Gone ziplining.
Hello, hello there.
In these big old woods. Whoa! Mom?
Yeah.
You ready?
Oh, sure, I'm ready.
All right.
Are you going next?
After Lise, yeah.
Oh, and one more thing, if you're taller, the platform over there, she'll be fine, she'll get you in just fine. It's a little bit lower, so you might need to like tuck your legs up.
Oh, okay.
But we don't usually tell people because the person braking can kind of control how you're coming in. So.
Okay,
but it'll make it a little easier for her.
It's one of the craziest things I've ever done.
Will we hear you scream?
Yes. Sure. Heck yeah.
I don't even know how to scream.
I can't do the high pitch.
It's one of the craziest things I've ever done. Gone ziplining
Walk past the rocks first, and you can
in
make sure you run far.
the wide Alaskan wilderness with a GoPro on my wrist. Here we go. Yep.
Are you ready, Andrew?
I am.
Ready to rumble.
As I'll ever be.
Oh, good.
I will not be able to film you, Ann, because.
Oh, no. Yeah, I don't want you to.
We'll have you tippy toe for me.
We'll just change places.
Yeah, I don't.
Nope.
I don't need to be
Close.
There we go. It's okay, we'll sacrifice you. Just kidding. Everyone's been nice so far, so I'm not going to sacrifice you.
Sacrifice? So where do I hold on to?
So yep, you're going to put your
You don't
finger on
want to
each
do that,
side.
honey, or you won't get anything but your shoulder. So you might as well hold. Yeah, there you go. Hold one arm out.
Then you'll kind of spin. It'll be a cool picture even if you spin a little bit.
All right.
That's true if he's like this. Okay, so you're going to walk past the rocks and then run all the way off. Make sure you don't sit down too early. You're going to make Keister Canyon bigger.
Yep.
Okay? All right, you're good to go.
Let's go, baby! Yeah! Woo!
Alright, here we go.
One step down.
Step up one foot right there.
That was awesome.
Walk all the way to the
I'm going
end.
to get your face towards me.
Whew.
There we go.
My legs are actually trembling after that.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, they're going to be trembling after the next one then.
Oh boy.
It's really fast. All right, go ahead and step down behind you.
All right. Thank you.
You know the deal.
Oh.
Right foot right beside it. Okay.
There we go. Step up one for me right there.
Thanks for having my back.
Oh, really?
We are probably
They require you to stop.
100 feet up here.
Oh, that's kind of dangerous. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Grab onto your orange.
I was okay till I looked down.
Yeah.
Woo!
Grab one more to the deck.
Oh, yeah, you go film Dad.
Step off.
Yeah.
Come on up. Easy.
It's shaking a little bit.
Run the cable.
All right. Go ahead and step down this way.
So I can get myself a pound of back.
This one's way worse than last.
Ooh, ooh.